biggest problem we have in this country is greed and jealousy. White lies and cheating and commission and guns. No matter where you go, you can pan for gold. It's here.
The missionaries, the business people, the gold miners come in the name of progress. And then we realize that these changes are drowning our cultures.
Guns now played an important part of power struggling. There's 850 nations, 850 tribes, 850 languages. They're always fighting each other. He killed about 17 in one village alone, persistently attacked him. They're just trying to survive.
We are worried because we have our culture, which we always wanted to maintain.
We're teaching God's word. If there are elements of a culture that are just in direct opposition to what we're teaching, then we encourage change.
The missionaries have come in and been instrumental in killing a lot of the culture in this country.
Something white man came said now. Something now.
Well, it started when the first pioneers come through.
I'm just so scared that I'm going to lose my culture and everything.
In 10 years' time, this culture will die.
There's the drip feeding of Western society in education and health, still tapering off with custom.
It's almost like this culture has been under attack since first contact.
So many cultures around the world have been decimated because one culture comes and dominates.
Orang nampak